Welcome back to part 4. Come here real quick. So right here, as said in the beginning of the first video, this is going to be your end. What you're going to do is you're going to have your end against the wall here. You're going to drop it down, and you're going to mark right at this lip here. Right at this lip, right here. That's going to give you a 1/4 inch gap along the perimeter. Then, as long as you're cut straight, you're going to go ahead and slide that piece in, slide the spacer in, make sure you got your 1/4 inch gap, and hit your piece in. Simple as that. Let's jump right into it. We're going to get this flooring installed. Thanks for watching. There we have it, guys. We have completed this install and we have installed baseboards. We just want to thank you for watching part 1, 2, 3, and 4. It means a lot to us, and we're going to continue to do these type of videos just to give some insights on installation. We wish you a happy 2024. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.